Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study biology for NEET. To begin, make the NCERT textbooks your primary resource. Read each chapter carefully, focusing on understanding the core concepts. Don't just memorize, truly grasp the why behind biological processes. Highlighting key information and making short notes will significantly aid your retention. This foundational step is crucial for building a strong base in biology. Next, incorporate active recall into your study routine. After reading a topic, try to explain it in your own words or write down everything you remember. This strengthens memory pathways. Crucially, practice solving a substantial number of multiple-choice questions every single day, aiming for at least 100. Reviewing your mistakes is just as important as answering correctly, as it pinpoints areas needing more attention. Visual learning is incredibly effective for biology. Draw and label diagrams, create flowcharts for complex processes, and use concept maps to connect ideas. These visual aids simplify intricate information and make it easier to recall. Consistent revision is non-negotiable. Revisit older chapters frequently to prevent forgetting. Develop your own brief, focused notes that you can quickly scan in the final days leading up to your examination. Finally, consistency and effective time management are paramount. Dedicate a minimum of 2 hours each day solely to biology. Regular, focused study sessions are far more beneficial than sporadic, long ones. Stick to a well-planned schedule to ensure all topics are covered adequately. Also, always keep yourself informed about any updates to the NEET syllabus and examination pattern to optimize your preparation strategy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.